PVR Cinemas approach your safety with the same commitment and passion that we put into creating new experiences for you. Beginning with the box office, where we are ensuring security of both staff and our guests via steps including but not limited to safety gear for all staff and cashier safety shields to provide an extra level of protection. Mobile ticketing and contactless transactions have been introduced to minimize human contact, along with sale of PPE kits and single-use 3D glasses. Security check and entrance operating procedures have also been amended. Hand sanitizing stations are installed at important places inside the cinema. While physical security checks have been eliminated, our guests are requested to undergo a temperature screening and to wear face masks for the safety of all. Entry is restricted for guests with symptoms and their money refunded. The entire cinema has been sanitized using advanced ultra-low volume treatment technology for complete coverage and long-lasting protection, while door handles are coated with microshield films. Our staff is cleaning surfaces with increased frequency using recommended sanitizing agents. The disposable food packaging, crockery, and cutlery are disinfected using UV technology. Our kitchen and concession staff are taking stringent measures to maintain hygiene without compromising on the gastronomic standards you have come to expect. Whereas we care for our guests, equal importance is paid to the well-being of our employees. We undertake measures such as daily health monitoring, health checks by a certified doctor. The cinema staff has undergone extensive training on the new safety protocol and stringent hygiene practices.